All right, this is just a really quick, simple video showing you how to mix up a single meal, a sample, if you will, of Keto Chow. I have a much longer, more involved video that shows you all the different ins and outs and everything, but I'm not going to explain how to calculate your calories and all that. That's in the other video. This one's really quick and simple. So you're going to need fat source, a mixing container, in this case a blender bottle, Keto Chow, and water. For this one, I'm just going to use 4 ounces of heavy cream. You could use 2 ounces of avocado oil, but this time I'm just going to do heavy cream. So it's really easy with a blender bottle. It's got measurements on the sides. You don't even have to get anything else dirty. I'm going to fill this up to the 4 ounce mark with heavy cream. So let's go ahead and do that. Done. Then I'm going to add in a scoop of Keto Chow. If you're using the individual samples, it's already been pre-measured for you. For best accuracy, of course, you always want to weigh it, but for most people's applications, a scoop will be sufficient. So shake that in there, level it off, done. And then just add water. So with 2.1, it does mix up a bit thicker, so you need to add more water. You can always add additional water if it mixes up too thin. When you're pouring it right out of the tap, it usually bubbles a bit, so you'll probably want to fill it up to where the threads start. If it doesn't bubble at all, about 20 ounces mixed up is about where you want to be. So I'll just go ahead and pour in the water. That looks good. Put on the lid. It's very important that you close this solidly so it doesn't get all over the place. And you need to shake it from side to side at first so that you don't get dry powder stuck in the lid, up in where you're going to drink out of. So you've got that now, you just got to shake it really good. Make a funny face. And that's good to just stick in the fridge. When you go to drink it, you might notice some stuff collected on the bottom, chocolate that didn't initially mix. That's fine. Just shake it up again before you drink it. I like to make, I don't know, like 4 days worth at a time, which used to be sufficient until my daughter started stealing it. So now I have them make me help mix it up. So that's it.